Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by inspecting the yellow paint to decide removal method. Overspray behaves differently than a full repaint. Once you confirm it's removable, wash the panel with automotive soap to remove dirt, then dry with a microfiber towel. Next, use isopropyl 70% on a small corner to test finish compatibility. Make sure the clear coat doesn't soften. If it passes, proceed with a clay bar and light lubrication to lift loose particles. This reduces scratching before any solvents or tools touch the paint. Now you move to active removal, starting gentle and escalating only as needed. Clay bar with lubricant removes fresh overspray. Rub until the surface feels smooth. If residue remains, apply a controlled amount of adhesive remover or automotive solvent, let it dwell for 30 to 60 seconds, then wipe with a clean microfiber. For baked on yellow, use a fine abrasive polish, 2000 to 3000 grit, with a dual-action polisher and slow passes. Make sure to check progress frequently. To finish, polish the panel by hand or machine to remove fine haze, then apply a paint sealant or wax for protection. This restores gloss and shields the area. Once done, inspect under varied light for any yellow tint or staining. If slight staining remains, repeat targeted solvent and polish steps only where needed. If you notice clear coat dulling or etched areas, stop and consult a professional for repaint or touch-up because aggressive sanding risks more damage. Prevention beats repair when clear coat integrity is compromised.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.